Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel 11 Pro for visible wireless. So the Pixel 11 Pro is currently up for pre-orders as I'm recording this video here. Release date is August 20th. So yeah, you guys have four colors to choose from here. You guys have Obsidian, which is being shown right now. You guys have Canyon. Give it a second to load here. It's like a I don't know, it's like a lightish red peach color, I guess. You have olive color, which is like this greenish color on the screen. That looks like a green on the screen here. Then you guys have the fog color, so it's like a whitish color, like a whitish silverish color. Um, so yeah, let's back to the Obsidian. So you guys have two storage options: 256 gigs for $1099.99, 512 gigs, $1219.99. All right. So yeah, that's front and back of the phone. It looks like the Pixel 11, obviously. You guys got the camera bar. Triple camera system has like this highlight feature, which is new to the Pixel 11 line up here. It's like a notification light, so it's pretty interesting. The Google logo down the back. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Hole punch with your front facing camera. There's the right side of the phone, power button, and your main keys. Right side again, right there. Back of the phone, your cameras, the highlight feature, Google logo and whatnot. And there's front and back once more. The 256 GB version is 56 a month for 36 months. For 36 months, 7% APR, $1099.99 for retail price, like I said. 512 GB version, 33.89 a month for 36 months, 0% APR. I don't know why I keep sticking to the top there. Or it's $1219.99 for retail price. Visible Protect plan, getting phone insurance for your phone. Definitely recommend it. Alright, so it says here Google Pixel 11 Pro attention grabbing design, the latest evolution of the Google Pixel camera. Gemini intelligence anticipates your needs, helping you get back to the moment. Expertly crafted with incredibly strong materials for everyday drop protection, it's the most durable Pixel Pro yet, and it's available in two sizes: 6.3 inches and 6.8 inches. I guess the Pixel 11 Pro XL is the 6.8 version, I guess. This is a 5G compatible device. Roaming on Visible Plus, good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport's up to date. Send stuff right there. Specs on the Pixel 11 Pro. 6.3 inches Super Aqua display, pointing glass Victus. 1280 by 2856 LTPO OLED display, 495 PPI. Pixel 11 Pro, weight 7.2 ounces, dimension 6 inches, height 2.8 inches, width 3.3 inches depth. Takes eSIM. So and then that's the only option. There is no physical SIM card, eSIM only. Android 17 on board with 7 years of updates. Rear camera, Pro triple camera. Pro triple rear camera system, 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide with macro focus, 48 megapixel 5x telephoto lens, Pro resolution up to 120 times, and optical quality 0.5x, 1x, 2x, 5x, 10x. Front facing camera is a 42 megapixel dual PD selfie camera with autofocus f2.2 aperture, 100 degrees ultra wide field of view there. Google Tensor G6, fly like a G6, Titan M3 security code processor. Memory is 256 gigabytes plus 12 gigabytes of RAM, or 512 gigabytes plus 16 gigabytes of RAM. 4850 mAh battery, up to 34 hours usage time. Security is your fingerprint unlock, which is by and display fingerprint, face unlock, pattern, pin, password. Bluetooth 6.0 with antenna diversity for enhanced quality and connection. Band, 5G, sub-6 gigahertz and C-band, roaming of course. If you guys want to learn more about the Pixel 11 Pro, check the links below. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Pixel 11 Pro is now here at Visible as of August 20th. So if you guys like the Pixel 11, go check it out. It's available in 4 colors. Just make sure that the color that you guys want has the storage option that you guys want, because each color could have different storage options, so keep that in mind. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.